Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Vlogmas number 5. I just decided to put some clips together from the other day. So here I am packing my kids' lunch, and then I'm just going to do some cleaning around the house, set up a little timer outlet thing that I purchased on Amazon. But make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe so you can see more content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. All right, so this is Parker's lunch. We have to get to school pretty soon. So in here he has some chicken nuggets. He has this apple strawberry sauce. This is just optional. Some fruit, strawberries and blueberries, and then this chips on the side. So that's it. I'm gonna throw in some ketchup packets, and that is his lunch. You guys, look at where Georgie ended up this morning. He has a day at the beach. He made his own little umbrella, and he has a Christmas tree in there.
Sands don't have Christmas trees.
No, but he put it in there. I don't know. And then Carter's having some French toast sticks, syrup, some blueberries, and strawberry milk. I'm gonna make me my iced coffee. So I have ice in here. It's, I don't know, probably a little bit more than a cup. Then I just brewed some coffee in here. I think it's like 8 ounces. This is the kind that we get. I'm just gonna pour this in here and then add some sugar. Don't judge for the amount of sugar that I use. And I'm just gonna mix it. So there's that. I'm gonna do some of this creamer, the caramel creamer by Starbucks. Just gonna do a little bit of that because I already have a lot of sugar in there. And then I'm gonna add a splash of milk. And then stir it around. Might need a little bit more creamer, but it is so good and less expensive. Literally, it's like I'm drinking a caramel macchiato. You guys definitely need to try iced coffee like this. Highly recommend. just got my new knife set in. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. I had to order it for Black Friday. It was down to like $70, you guys. That is insane. First thing we have is a smart plug. And then the next thing that I got is... got another Carhartt beanie. I am obsessed with these. This is in the color gray. Alright, so let's see how this thing works. Whoa, okay, so I just plugged it in there. Now I have to download the app. So let's see how this works. Okay, so I set everything up. It took like 2 minutes. And watch this. No more getting poked by needles. And I could also set it to Alexa, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that just yet.